Hi, Greg Armstrong here with Moonwalker Cleaning. Just heading to Lowe's to pick up supplies for the house. It's Sunday, March 27th, I believe, and I'm gonna show you a couple videos that we did we just put some more new equipment on the water fed pole over the top rinse bar. Worked out real well, and then we started using the warming channel with the flip mop. Works well too. You know, I've been washing windows for about 14 years. Had a couple business partners in between then, and running my own business for the last 6, but it's basically morphed into a family business with my son Connor and my wife Maggie. So we're like everybody else, we're learning as we going, and it's the last 2 years have really been fun for the company. Really starting to grow and enjoying it. You know, we are changing a bunch of stuff up this year with systems and how we do it. It's just part of our company growing. It's, you know, we're pivoting a little bit of pain in the process, but it's going to be worth it in the end. And I know everybody does it different, and that's good. You got to do what works for you. You know, this is going to work for us. So, you know, don't get discouraged when you see other companies when they have a totally different system than you on how they deliver the product or service. Like I said, this is what's working for us, and it's really starting to pay off. Best advice I could give is, as soon as you can, try to automate as much as possible. It's just the way the industry's going. And I'm not talking about, I mean, you're always gonna have, like, I'll give you window cleaning for example. Yeah, we got the water fed pole, but we're still gonna be doing traditional window cleaning trad. You know, you have to. It's just, not every case scenario you can do with a water fed pole, but they both work and they both help you out in your business. So I recommend doing both on that. You know, we just invested heavily in a good filtration system, because all of our services, we have basically 4 services, they all use water, and we needed premium water for our clients. So we went and invested heavily in that, and I already see it paying off. It's worth it. You know, again, I don't say everybody needs to do it, but you know, if you're gonna get the equipment, use it. You know, learn to use it. You know, some of it can be frustrating. It doesn't work right away the first time, or this and that, but you get better at it as you go and you figure stuff out. That's about it. I hope everyone's having a good weekend, and you know, stay safe. And I know the season's bumping up for everybody, so like I said, we're really excited, especially with the new water coming in. It's going to help us with the carpet cleaning. We're already seeing it with the tile and grout cleaning, the difference, and of course window cleaning. Pressure washing, I haven't done it enough yet as far as using that type of water, if it makes a difference. But those other 3 services definitely, for sure. So anyways, gonna get something to drink here, head out. Like I said, enjoy us working on the new equipment, and thanks again for everybody's help, especially WCR, Jersey. What up, man? Steve-O. You guys got great advice on your videos. Love it. New Jersey, any more business advice? Always helpful, man. Because to me, that's the hardest part more than anything else. I mean, you learn how to clean a window. You learn how to clean a carpet, tile and grout, pressure wash. You can learn all that pretty quick. But all the other stuff, especially hiring employees, the right employees, dealing with workman's comp. Luckily my wife Maggie came along and started helping us out in the business. That's really helped us out with the paperwork and that. And she's already saved us money with insurance with workman's comp. That's pretty high in those home service businesses. So, like I said, if you can do your investigation on that, and then just start implementing systems as fast as possible. Really makes a difference. Like I said, the best businesses are the businesses that you can sell, and what that means is basically your business can run without you. Now, I'm not there yet, but we're heading in that direction. If something were to happen to me today, I know Maggie could run the business side of it, and my son Connor could do the production part of it. So I know the business would go on and do well. So, that part makes you feel good. Later on, probably early next year, we're gonna have to find someone to take the other truck spot that I'm currently jumping on. I've been teeter-tottering back and forth. Sometimes I'm on truck, sometimes I'm not, but we're gonna get me off that within the year. I just gotta build a second truck up and then start working on a third, and then that way I can hire some guys. But I am going with one-man crews. It's some people agree with it, some people don't. Like I said, everybody has a different way of doing stuff. I'm mixing route with residential, and then commercial work we'll do together. Any big jobs we'll have two on a crew. But basically, it's going to be one-man crews. The reason why we're doing this is I'm trying, when we scale up, I'm trying to make this as simple as possible. And what I can do is I can offer I have basically my budget 30 to 35% to play with payroll wise. So instead of busting that up for performance pay, 20% to the lead and 15% to the helper, I'll be able to do 30% of that to that one guy, and then another 5% I can put towards administrative costs for 401k and then possibly health insurance as well. So group health insurance. So that's something we're looking into now, and hopefully we'll be able to do within the next year. And then with the two crews, and then you put me in there, I can go 4/10. So it'll be a good job to work out. 4-day work weeks with performance pay, and you're looking at they can make between 40 and 50,000 on a truck. Washing windows, pressure washing, carpet cleaning, tile and grout. So we're making it as simple as possible. All right, take care. let that dry, see how that turns out. These are some of the other windows we've done with the water pit pull. Come out nice. So we're in good shape. Anyways, you all have a nice weekend. Take care. And once we get some more equipment in, we'll show some more. Talk to you later. Bye. Hardly any detail, awesome.